morning, guys. So I just wanted to start off this morning a little bit different than usual and just like talk about what's going on all together. Currently it's super sunny outside, but that's not really what I wanted to talk about. It's just like kind of nice that it's sunny and it's been raining and cloudy, so it's nice that it's sunny, but it probably end up raining later. But so Nick ended up editing his first video yesterday and it came out today, which would be the day before you guys watch this. So first off, go check that out, hit the like button, comment, all that fun stuff. It was a super cool video. I give so much props to him for editing his first video and having it come out so good. It's pretty awesome, and I did not do much to help him with that. I gave him little pointers and I did the title for him, but other than that I didn't do anything. He spent like 2.5 hours editing that video and it came out really good. Like, I remember the first time I edited my first video, and I posted up on YouTube, and I was so proud of that video because I spent so much time editing it, and it just like made me feel so good when people responded and saying that they liked it. It just made me feel really good. And I was like, when he finished editing last night and he showed me the video, and just the like expression on like happiness on his face of what he was able to do, like made my day and made me like go back and relive that moment when I edited my first video and how much I enjoyed it and how much it brought joy to my life. And that's why I keep doing it now. It doesn't matter to me how many people watch these videos, how many people, you know, subscribe to the channel. All that really doesn't matter to me. It's just enjoyment of me editing these videos and me going back and watching how I improved from my editing and what I did back then and how I improved in my daily life. So that's why I edit, and it just reminded me of that last night when he finished his edit. So make sure you guys go check that out.
Well, leave the lights down low so she knows I mean business. And maybe we could talk this over, cause I could be your best bet. Let alone your worst ex, and let alone your worst. I wanna hate you so bad, but I can't stop this any more than you can.
Hey guys, so I skipped like most of my day in videoing, which is why I'm coming back now. Sorry, loud car. So I just got back from practice, and I'm gonna probably go skating somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I'm gonna go skating somewhere. In the mood to go skating.
Honestly, how could you say those days when you know that I'll meet any day, and you know very well that I can't keep my head to myself, I wanna hate you so bad, but I can't stop this any more than you can. This is all wrong, and it showed. There's certain things I promise not to let you know, not to let you know. I never.
Guys, so that's actually gonna be it for me tonight. So as always, please like, share, subscribe. Peace out.